Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Shouldn't Run from Police." Let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here.
Oh, hell nah. It's Willie the Wanker rubbing it off on the cops and running because he's low on lube and license.
White Honda four-door. Now we're going west. Yo, south on Shaker, I'm in pursuit.
We're coming on to Shaker right now. Just stay on the intersection, I'll let you know. Right. They're rolling straight through. Rebel Road.
Where's that at?
North on Cager Post.
GFI 67 carriage.
10-4, I got a vehicle right here, stand by. I'm about to be 1031. Towards MLK, I'm 1031.
1033 for 1750, 1033 for 1750, 1031, major B, MLK.
Go in as quick as possible, those residential areas.
Got him. Got him. Act right. What you thought this was? Ooh. Got him. Oh, he slid out. He slid out. Let's do it again. Imagine if he crashed into the tree. That'd be crazy. Wow, cooked. And they pinned the door.
After all that jerking, the cops were about to show him what a real pullout game looks like.
Run out the window! Get out! Run out the window! I got this done. We're out, gunpoint! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get what?
I got one at gunpoint.
Mr. Hands!
Get out of the car!
No, you mean your other hand? Let me see your hands.
Get
I'll get him out of the other side.
Climb out of the car! Climb out of the car, too!
I'm coming. Don't f***ing move.
Climb out of the car!
Don't f***ing move.
I'm coming! Hey, out!
I'm coming.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now. These guys have I know. Listen, I know. I feel like this is a bad time to reprimand the cops or whatever. Like, I know adrenaline is high. I know everything is going on, but man, safety first, man. They are in each other's. They have their weapons drawn, right, and they're all in each other's crossfire. Like, they're all like, I'm like, yo, what the heck? You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, y'all gotta. Oh man. There has to be more uniformity going on. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can't. Everybody got their gun out. You know what I'm saying? But this guy. Oh, hold on. This guy, right, is right here. You know, whatever, right? But look at this. Now, keep in mind, everyone has their gun out. Look at the crossfire here. This, okay, they're both at him. All right. But I'm just like, whoa, holy crap. Okay, I like how he put the gun away. But man, this is just That's nasty work. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's nasty work.
Your f***ing hands!
Get out of the car!
Don't give me your underhand! Let me see your
Get out of
hands.
the car.
I'll get him out of the other side. I'll get him
Climb out of the car! Climb out of the car to me!
Don't f***ing move.
Climb out of the car!
Don't f***ing move.
Hey, out!
I'm coming.
Hey, out!
I'm stuck.
Out!
You got cuffs? Yeah. Roll on over, man. Sit on up.
What an idiot that guy is, huh?
My man, don't move.
Dumb.
No one else in that vehicle? Okay.
What's in your pockets?
What were you thinking?
What? Go ahead and sit over here. Come over here.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and sit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you hurt, man? You need EMS? Or 1 to 10? 1 in custody.
I lit you up for a traffic stop.
But you ran. Why?
Why?
Is your license suspended, Bubba? Yeah.
I mean,
You ran for a license?
conversation.
Yeah, man, that's just a citation, dude. But I mean, hey, you going to jail now, cuz. You got dope in that car?
Why they ran?
That's FHP, brother. They get pit all day long.
Why are you running, man?
Yeah, I would have pulled over.
But you didn't. I chased you through neighborhoods.
What? That was pretty stupid.
All you
Now
had
you
to
gotta
do
go
was,
to jail.
yeah.
For felonies, man.
Like, we're talking a speeding ticket, maybe a warning, and now you're going to jail for felonies.
Everybody run, that nigga got a gun.
Who's Alexandria to you? Your baby mama?
Do you have ID with you? Do you have it? Are you suspended? Is that why you're running? Bro, a suspension? Man, they're going to write you a ticket.
That's it, man.
One of the cops recognized the man as a regular at the police station.
Suspended?
That's it.
That's it.
What an idiot.
Brandon? Yeah, he didn't give you his name?
There's
Oh, yeah.
there's in there.
Okay.
But he wasn't. The only thing he was doing is
'Cause it-
running stop signs on Cager Posey into yards and everything, but we were at a close distance.
I mean, because at the end of the day, like, because even when I picked him up, you didn't even have your lights on
Right.
still, so. Brandon, what's your date of birth?
He must be high. He's mine. He is. Brandon got to be.
Nowhere to go. He jumps curve into
got
the
you.
yards. Actually,
You was just checking on to make sure he was
Yeah.
not gonna hit something or
'cause
somebody.
he slowed down. I'm like,
Was he
possibly,
driving?
yeah.
Was he driving erratic? Like,
Oh, yeah.
he was.
Bro.
So y'all followed a safe distance to make sure that he wasn't gonna hit anybody or damage any property or wreck. I got you.
Yeah. And plus, if he would have wrecked, y'all would have been right there to help him
Yeah,
out, too.
yeah.
So,
Hey, man. How much dope's in that vehicle?
Well, and from that.
Brandon. Okay, we see some.
Hey, Brandon, sit up, man. We don't want you laying down like that, brother.
Yeah, man.
Sit up. There you go. Sit
gonna be
like that.
0-2
There you go.
pride, brother.
There you go. Sit like that. Appreciate you, man.
you want a pillow? I got a pillow.
There might be a bowl, maybe.
There might be
bowl.
what?
A bowl.
Bowl.
Bowl of pot?
There's a weed bowl.
Weed bowl? Okay. You on probation or anything?
Hey, listen to me, man. I need to know so I can tell EMS. Did you swallow anything? All right, because you're acting all kind of weird and all slumped over and stuff, and I got all kind of residue and stuff in there. If you swallowed something, man, we need to know about it so we can tell the ambulance.
After twitching for 29 minutes, the guy figured if he was going down, the whole dealer directory was going with him.
Good morning, Mr. Taylor. Why do you want to run from the highway patrol so much?
Pick an actual big player. I could go get 6 ounces right now.
In what color county? What's the name so I know it's credible?
I mean, shit.
You tell me a name and I'll tell you if it's credible. And
Alright. Yeah.
My guy trying to work out deals. You don't work out a deal with the officers at the side of the road. You work out a deal with the DA and them boys. That's how you would do it if you was gonna go down that road. I mean, this guy gets caught and automatically starts snitching on everybody. Like, what the hell? This is like the hillbilly version of like 6ix9ine or something. You know what I'm saying? He listening to Kodak Black and everybody. Like, what the hell? You're caught. Just take your lick like a man. Like, don't bring everybody else into it. This is your fault. You the one speeding, doing all this and doing all of that. Now because you caught, you want to bring everybody else into it. That ain't got nothing to do with what you got going on. These other guys that you're trying to bring into the situation to get yourself out don't have nothing to do with your traffic stop. Come on, man. These guys be killing me, boy.
Harris, Kilpatrick, Izell.
Carlos, doing good.
I got 2 kids now. I'm just trying to take care of them. That's why it's like, dude, I don't care about nobody out here. Like,
It's all about you. I get it.
No, dude, it's about my kids, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Like, I'm really not.
I know you ain't, man. Shouldn't have ran, but pull it over. Anyways, hang tight to come, all right?
He was cited for fleeing and eluding, failure to stop at a stop sign, and was charged for other traffic violations by FHP. YouTube.
Getting yourself hemmed up for getting everybody else in trouble because you can't follow traffic laws. That don't make no goddamn sense, man. Them cops did a great job, man. Rammed them, boom. Oh, trailed at a safe distance. You know what I'm saying? Oh, they was doing their thing. They got his ass right, boy. Dragged him right out that car, too. Come over here. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, stuff like that, man, I love it, man. And they got some other guys, up out of them, too. You know what I'm saying? So, they get more information and everything. They get name drops, everything. So, these guys get a 5 out of 5, man. Perfect score, man. They did a great job. The only thing, like I said, that crossfire with the weapon and all that was kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie, but I get it. Adrenaline is pumping, but man, anybody can slip and pull that trigger, and now you shot your partner. You know what I'm saying? Because you guys are in each other's way. So, but other than that, they did a great job, man. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.